Hey guys, this is Henry here again. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year, fam. Happy New Year to all my friends, everyone, my subscribers, everyone that has been supporting me. I really want to say thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, commenting. I am so grateful, guys. I'm so grateful. I wouldn't have gotten this far without you. God bless you all. Now, um, in this video I want to be showing you guys how I study my chart, because a lot of people have been asking me this question: Henry, how do you study your chart, and how do you, because most time I talk about a particular trend in a currency pair, and they're like, how do you get that? Because you actually got that with XAUUSD last year November, and I made close to $12,000. Yes, that was my one of my best year in trading, because I made that amount in just 2 days. $12,000. That was because I understood the trend in XAUUSD. So I think it was a week or 2 week trend. So I noticed XAUUSD always has a highest high and a lowest low. When it gets to this point, it sells. When it gets to this point, it buys. So I noticed that was the trend. It doesn't go beyond this point and it doesn't go below this point. So I took advantage of it. I started trading, started sending signals to all my students in my Telegram groups, and it was awesome. At that time, we were milking XAUSD big time, and I can say yes, that was one of my best time, because I made close to $12,000. Yes, and I have videos on that where I made $4,000 the first day. You can check my videos to see me. I post real stuff. I don't do demo. I post real stuff, and I carry everybody along. And I'm not this kind of a person that uses all this big grammar when it comes to forex. I love carrying people along. I will teach you in a way that even a layman will understand. Now, to cut all the long story short, this is a chart, AUD CAD. That means Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Now, I just traded this with an account. This is a live account. Let me prove it to you that it's a live account before we continue. Now, let me click trade. Okay, it's already in profit. As you can see, the balance is $72. Just to prove to you guys that it's a real account, let me show you. As you can see, real. You can see the real showing at the top. All right, let's continue. Now, let me go back to the chart. Okay, coming, guys. All right, now this is the chart. Why did I sell? That is the question. Now let me tell you why I sold. Look at the highest high. Let me show you the highest high. I want to show you the highest high. Now this is the highest high. As you can see here, look at this point, the top. This is the highest high. If you scroll back, you would see that it didn't get to that point for a particular period of time. It never got to that point. Let's go back again and see. It was 0.98501. Let's see. As we scroll back to check, don't forget 0.98. We are still at 0.94, 93, 91, 90, 91, 92, 95. See, for a particular period of time, for a long period of time, it didn't even get to that height. Only until this part. And as you can see, I think it's quite a long time that it got to this point. Quite a long time. So let's scroll back. So looking at the period, the timeline, the trend, we will notice for a particular period of time, this has been the highest high. It is only normal for me to sell. Now get it straight, trends always change. There were times even when XAUUSD, the trend changed woefully. It sold so badly, a lot of people lost some money. I haven't lost, to be honest. I'm not a person that lies. I tell you the truth, how it is. In forex you will lose, my brethren, you will lose, but you should always make sure that your gains, your winnings are far more enormous. Is enormous the right English? Are far more greater than your loss. Do you understand? So that even when you lose, you will not feel it because you've made so much. Do you understand? Now, for me, I would sell in this point, and as you can see, I sold. Look at the sell button there. I sold at this point. I sold here. Oh, let me bring it down. Okay, I sold here. As you can see, this was where I sold. As you can see, the sell, I sold with a lower lot size, 0.02, and the candlestick is still hovering around that point. Let me see if I'm still in profit or loss. Okay, I'm still in profit, 0.14. Do you understand? So this is how I know I'm not a professional. I won't call myself a professional because I know of a lot of professionals in this forex market on YouTube. I watch their videos, super videos, great lighting. They have their super laptop and everything. But there's one thing I've discovered in life: is not how far, it's how well. If with my own way of studying the charts, I could make $12,000 within the space of 2-3 days, haba, I am good. I am good. So I see myself as good. And I have a lot of students in my Telegram channel who have positive testimonies about me. So you guys can join. I'll be posting the link in the description below. You can join my free Telegram channel where I post a daily signal, and I also have a VIP group. It's just $10 to join. So you can, if you want to join that one, fine. If you want to stick to the free group, no problem. You can join the free group or the whichever you want. So as I was saying, now you mark your highest high. This is the highest high. It's only normal for me to sell. Now what you want to do is also, if you want to buy, you check the lowest low. That's what you should do. Check the lowest low. Check the lowest low. Just move your candlestick. Check the lowest low for a particular period of time. Okay, this is the lowest low for a particular period of time. As you can see, it hasn't gotten to that low. Do you get? It hasn't gotten to that low. So this is the lowest low for a particular period of time. So what you want to do now is, if peradventure, let's say this the candlestick is at this point, now what you want to do is you want to buy. Let's say for instance that candlestick was at this point. Even if it's not at this point, maybe anywhere here, anywhere around here, I will buy. If it's anywhere around here, I will buy, and I will use a proper risk management, and I will set my SL, my stop loss, around this point or here. And if it hits SL, do you understand me, I will still buy, because I know it will go up. Because for this particular period of time, this has been the lowest low it has gotten to. Do you get? This is the lowest low it has gotten to. I will want to buy. Do you understand me? So even if it sells to this point, I don't know why this thing is being difficult to move. Okay, even if it sells to this point, if it sells to this point, I will buy, and I will use a proper risk management. Do you understand? And I will make sure I set my SL, because it might keep selling. Do you understand, guys? So that is it. Nothing more, nothing less. This is how I study my chart, and this is how I make my money in the forex market. If you have more questions to ask, drop your comments in the comment section. I'll be willing to answer you. I love you all, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment. Thank you very much, and click in the description below to join my Telegram channels. They are all there.